First, we're going to start by peeling the tomatillos. Once we have all of them peeled, we're going to use a damp paper towel to wipe away any of the stickiness. Next, on a sheet pan, we're going to add the tomatillos, 1 small yellow onion cut in half, and 2 jalapenos. Next, drizzle the veggies with about a tablespoon of oil and rub the oil onto everything. We're going to roast these veggies at 450 degrees for about 10 minutes. Add all of the roasted veggies to a blender and blend until completely smooth. To a large pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil along with half a cup of diced onion and 2 cans of young green jackfruit. Also add in 1.5 tablespoons of vegan beef bouillon, a large pinch of salt, freshly cracked pepper, and I'm also using this safari barbecue spice from Melissa's. This adds a nice smoky spicy flavor. Read more about this spice on my blog post. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 4 minced garlic cloves, and cook for 2 minutes longer, stirring frequently. Next, add in the salsa verde and mix thoroughly. Cover and cook over medium-low heat for 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 25 minutes, we're going to shed our jackfruit. I found this was easier using 2 forks. Next, taste for seasoning adjustments. I felt mine needed a little bit more salt, pepper, and cumin. I also decided to add in a squeeze of lime for a citrus kick. Mix well and cover and cook again for another 10 minutes. This is what the Verde jackfruit looks like when it's finished. You can use this mixture in vegan tamales, tacos, or on tostadas. Now to build our tostada. I hope you enjoyed this video for Salsa Verde Braised Jackfruit and vegan tostadas. If you did, please remember to click the like button below. Also, if you aren't already, subscribe to my channel for new vegan and vegetarian recipes every week. Until next time, friends, goodbye.